up a little bit. See if I can get her to bite.
I'll catch her.
Oh, she got it. Oh, yeah. Yeah, buddy.
Oh, he's huge. He's huge. Good job, Dad.
Oh, damn.
He has sharp fins.
She's mad. I'll let you go. Don't you worry about that, darling. Try to cast as far as you can.
I might not be able to cast all the way to that ring. I will even cast. Oh. Is that a bat? That moving thing.
Got him.
He's not big, but
Go pick it up.
Pretty big.
Carson caught him one off the bed. Little male.
Don't mill.
I'll throw him back. Get him far out there.
Oh, little fishy. I don't know where he went.
Oh, yeah. Watch out, buddy. Move, move, move. Come on, baby. Switched over to the prawn. 6th Sense prawn. Watermelon red. Caught him off the bed. I missed that one. You need to cast far, buddy. Further than that.
I can't. So how about you give me your pole and then I'll catch fish.
Oh, there you go.
Can we just stay here for like 10 more minutes?
Oh shit. There we go. I had it the whole time.
Oh, did he like grab the serpent?
Hmm?
Did he grab the serpent? How many have a bait on?
Another one.
Oh, fish, come back. Oh, wait. I'm about to catch his old fish.
I know there's a fish over there. I see a pretty good sized one over there.
And Dad, if you hook it, can I hook it? Like reel it in? Ow!
Oh, that feels heavy. That's why it feels heavy. What's the matter, buddy?
I don't know if I can put my leg on. I cut my leg now.
Here, I'll put one of these on for you. Let me reel this in and I'll put it on for you, okay?
I put it in the down.
Yeah, come here.
On fish.
What?
On poop right here.
You said you haven't caught a fish? Oh. It's because I'm fishing. Oh, yeah, that's a good one. Come here. Oh, that's a good one. Huh? Yeah. Come here.
What?
Watch this.
I'm trying to count.
I'm gonna catch one for you right now, okay? Ready?
I just don't know how you caught this. And I got bit by an ant.
Hang on to my phone. Where? Oh yeah. I am. Watch this. Here, get him. Really? Yeah. Take him, get him up there. Good job.
Small, but it's big.
Catfish, catfish. That catfish eat it. Boop, boop, boop. Huh? Yeah, come on. We're gonna walk across. May get a little deep. Like, it may hit your huevos a little bit, buddy, but. Come on. Come on. Come this way. Come this way. Come up right here.
It's really cold.
It'll stop getting cold. Yeah, come right here. Come right here, this way. Around the weeds. Ooh, I bet there's some big bass up in here, buddy. You got it? You good? You coming? Come on, bud. Oh man. Not as good as I thought it was gonna be, but let's your pull.
Can I try to dump my I'm gonna dump it so high on my feet.
The fish got it, or is it? Oh, here you go. Got it.
Got me one?
Reel it. Reel it. Oh, it's
No.
chasing them.
Oh, it's the one. He got
A
one.
bunch of small ones. Look at that. Cool. Got it. That's it. That's good.
He's tiny, but he's pretty big.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm gonna try to take it out. He wasn't that good, but
Grab them tight. Grab the fish tight.
yeah, I can't.
Okay.
Because I can only take it out. Well, I can take it out now.
It's a little hard. Maybe a little hard to get out.
It's not hard for like perch because perch are like tiny. But
Take a picture. There you go.
I'm gonna try to catch a fish. Want to see with him? Caught me 3. I'm gonna try to slow that.
Here, I'm gonna throw it up there again. You can work it this time, and maybe we'll catch another one.
Yeah.
There was a bunch of them with him.
Wait, Dad, do you see all 4 fish?
Here.
So I think
Just kind of move it a little bit. Maybe not.
what's a bite? Ow. Nothing.
I gotta reel it in. Walking through the damn jungle. Ah. Go way out there.
There was a huge bass.
Hmm? Oh, quick release.
What?
Quick release.
Oh, I'm not able to catch that fish.
fish already. I see it, man. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, no, it's not. It was just hung up in something.
Dang.
It felt big.
Still caught a fish.
But it was tiny.
It was tiny. Yeah, we've been catching like tiny fish.
That's what you catch in the river mostly, buddy.
No, I want to release it.
Got it?
Hey, buddy. Okay. I'm gonna go away from him. I'm gonna like throw him out in the water. No, don't do that. Show me. I swear to God, if you show me, I'm gonna hurt you. I want to catch over there.
Got him?
He's on. Dang! It's not big, buddies. Heavy. Just gonna bring him up here. Turn the hot one.
Got him?
Yeah.
All right.
Come on.
Oh, whoa, there he goes again. Get him up here.
There to my dad. There, me after 4 bass. Wait, can I take a picture with him?
Yeah.
Okay. I need to hold my pole, actually. Quick.
I don't need to hold your pole. Got him?
I want to take a picture with my pole.
There we go. Okay. Tongue him back. Oh, there's another one in there.
Oh, I want to catch another one. You try to catch him real quick.
Oh, that's a big old perch.
Oh, I see you right there.
What the heck is that? That's a big old perch, yeah.
What?
Big old perch.
Yeah, I can catch
Let me see your hole. Let me see your line. Your lure.
Oh! It's weird. Thank you. That bass that I caught, you can't catch it at because it might think that you.
Carson, hold your pole up.
Oh.
Hold it up.
No, up.
Pick it up. Pick it up. There you go. All right, come on, let's go. Load up. Through the dead gum jungle we go. You got one too, huh? I got one. Mine got me in a good job. There we go.
So big, it's nice.